Hello and welcome back. Thought I would add the Jeep in. I haven't done it for a while. I have got some stuff lined up in the next couple of weeks for it. Got it in quite a nice setting here. I'm just going to do a walk around and I just want you guys to tell us A, what you think of it, B, what do you think I should do to it, and C, do you think I should keep it, sell it? Because I really am keen of this car. I've seen so many good projects lately and I've either took them on and let them go or simply declined them because I'm really reluctant to sell this thing. I think I want to try and keep it as a keeper, but I've got the Mercedes as well, which I need for the caravan. Yes, this could tow the caravan, no problem, same size engine, but it's just a little bit on the smaller side than the ML. I'll have a quick walk around and let us know what you think and what I should do. Lovely setting here. I've got the family in the car, but we'll have a walk around. First things I am wanting to do is get these wheels redone. I was going to get modulars put on, but I'm getting a good contact from one of my friends. So first up, do you think I should keep them? Because it's got all good, practically brand new Radar Renegade AT5s all-terrain tyres that are actually quite good. The wheels themselves are actually not in bad nick once they've been like obviously acid dipped and sandblasted. I've got one missing cap, but on the spare wheel at the back it's got one, or I might just buy a new one. So naturally, do you think they would look nice being done? Before anybody says I know the car's black, I'm going to go to the other side where we're not standing in the sun. I don't want them done in black because it just looks too gangster. I don't like nothing like that. At the same time, I don't think silver looks great. I'm thinking gunmetal grey. What do you guys think? Do you think gunmetal grey on these? I think they would look spot on. Even the wheel nuts are in relatively good nick. So yeah, that's I think what I'm going to do in the next 2 weeks is get the wheels redone in gunmetal grey. I think that would really set the car off. Because bar the odd little mark like this here, there's a little chip in the back door there, but I've got a touch-up pen. I'm just going to touch them in, but there is absolutely no rust whatsoever on this car. And one little scrape there, but I just reckon some tea-cut and black will get most of this off. And but this car's going to be used, you know what I mean? It's a used vehicle. I've had the dogs in it, I use it for the family, but it's just such good fun. I don't know if you can hear that burbling away. Sounds glorious. Tow bar as well. This bar looks great, brand spanking new, but I can't adapt it for a tow bar. But it's only 6 bolts, and I'm going to get a genuine Jeep tow bar. Somebody selling one for 80 quid. The electrics is already up there, just there. So that's something I'm going to do. Before anybody says use this tyre, you already know I can't, but it still holds pressure. So happy days. Private reg. Do you think I should put a private reg on? I've got a Dan plate. I've got the more rude one, the FK02YEE. I've got an Irish plate, RIG, RIG, in my date of birth, and I've got another one. I've got a few. Do you think it would look good with a private plate? One thing I do want to do, let us know. I personally think this lets the car down. It should have like an oversized plate on the back here, which comes down to these points here. It just looks too small. I am really thinking about getting that done. This front tyre, this is what I'm saying. This is the only thing when I get the wheels redone, I might order a brand new tyre. It's a shame because it's like nearly brand new across there, but it's took the edge off. But it's already had the 4-wheel alignment done. There's just some of the chassis in there. It is just so good. Honestly, this car's in such good nick. It's unbelievable. I don't know if I can get underneath and show you, but look at that, man. It's like brand new. Yes, I've painted it, but you've seen that beforehand. It's fantastic. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing. Wheels done. Oh, Team Heco wind deflectors. Because it's nice to have, when I've got the window open at speed, it does blow around a bit in the car. The aircon works ice cold, but I still like to be able to have the windows open, so there's that. The folding electric mirror on the driver's side doesn't work. I'm going to see a scrapyard if I can get the mirror and the speaker in the door at this side rattles on a bit, get that done. But mechanically wise, it's sorted. It's had the automatic gearbox stripped down, 10 litres of oil put in it, limited slip rear diff, limited slip front diff, oil changed, very expensive, transfer box done. Obviously everything on the engine, spark plugs, air filters, spark plugs, oil and filter, air filter. Hasn't got a fuel filter, that's above the tank. It's inside the tank, we won't be doing that. It hasn't got a pollen filter either. But have you heard that though? It's just lovely. Absolutely lovely, this engine. It's got a lovely burble to it, but at the same time, I'll just pop that. Once it's up to temperature like it is, this is the difference between a petrol and a diesel. You heard that? Sewing machine. Super smooth. Lovely. So yeah, just thought I would do a little bit of an update on the Jeep, because like I've said, you've seen I've had the automatic gearbox sump off because it leaked on my drive, so now it's bone dry underneath. I just think the only thing on this is split, and I can't find a one. Even Jeep can't get these. I was going to go line of the stick-on number plate, but I think it might look a little bit tacky, so I'm not sure of that. It's got the upgraded LED headlights in, as well as the side lights. They're fantastic at night now, and with this being a limited edition one, it's got loads of optional extras. The extra gearbox cooler down there, which is an option, a heavy duty normal cooler, and also you've got your power steering cooler as well as the limited slip front and rear diffs, which was an option, as well as the four-wheel drive system on this one is the automated one. So you've got two-wheel drive, part-time, full-time and low. So that is something that this is makes this really rare. Believe it or not, it's Euro 4 as well, so this can actually go into the ultra low emission zones because it's a Euro 4 petrol. So I'll just keep that one short. That's a quick update on the Jeep. As you know, I've only got two cars on the fleet, the ML, which we've done all the work for tone, the track rod end, the four-wheel alignment. That's really all I need to do to that one. It's only used for tone. So we'll get on to this one. I am always on the lookout for another car, but I don't see the point. I really don't see the point in getting something else, because I really like this car. It's not that bad on fuel to what you think. The tax is cheap enough, £300, which is the same as what you'd be paying for a flipping 1.6 automatic petrol Astra. A 1.68 valve Astra petrol automatic, same tax as this 3.7. So yeah, I'll leave it here. Please leave the comments, that's what it's here for. If you like it, hit the like, and please, if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.